Liquidity, profitability. Which one does your business need to survive? In today's video, we'll be talking about liquidity versus profitability and how you can use it to grow your business. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to welcome you back to this channel. You know what we do here? We discuss about business and how to grow your business and how to survive in this economy. In today's video, I'm talking about profitability and liquidity. I want to differentiate them and how you can use it to grow your business. Now, in simple time, what is profitability? Profitability is your revenue minus all your expenses. Whatever you have left is profit. Okay, it's profitability. Now, if you don't have profit over a very long period of time, you will not be sustainable. What I mean is your business will not sustain itself over a long period of time if you don't have profit. Now, what is liquidity? Liquidity is the amount of cash available for you to run your business. Number one thing you need to understand about profitability is this. You can be profitable without being liquid. Okay? You can be profitable. You can own a business. Let me take an example. This is my diary. If I'm selling this diary, if the cost of this diary for me is 500 naira, okay, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm using Nigerian currency. If the cost of this diary is 500 naira and I'm selling this diary at 600 naira, you know, my profit is 100 naira based on cost and sales, right? My profit is 100 naira. But if I should sell this diary on credit to another client, to a client, and I don't have money in my hand, I made a profit, but I am not liquid. So if I'm making profit like that without having cash in my hand, what in a long run, I will be sustainable, but I am not liquid. Now, I don't have cash at my disposal to run the operations of my organization. Okay? So that is one basic thing you need to understand about profitability and liquidity. The second thing you need to understand about profitability and liquidity is this. Profitability comes in different terms. You have net profit, you have gross profit, you have operational profit, you have profit after tax. Okay? Those things are also referring to profitability in professional times. While liquidity can be current assets ratio, liquidity test, acid test. Another thing you need to know about profitability and liquidity is this. If you are profitable, you will be sustainable. Like your business is going, is ongoing, and it should be sustainable. Like the example of the diary I made the other time, if you are selling this diary for the same cost of the diary, okay, you have cash. With that cash, you can run your business for a short term without being bankrupt. Okay? But if you are not liquid, you are making profit. You have this diary at 500, you are selling at 600, but you don't have cash backing for the diary, you can be bankrupt within a short period of time. I hope you understand it. What I'm trying to say is that if you are profitable, it does not mean you cannot go bankrupt in a short term. But if you are liquid, you cannot go bankrupt in a short term. How can you use profitability or liquidity to grow your business? Number one, understand your cash flow. That is your cash management. You cannot afford to sell all your products like this diary. You cannot afford to sell it on credit. You cannot afford to give all your services on credit. Like you will be profitable, but you are not liquid. It is not good for your business. You must find a balance between giving out your goods on credit or rendering your service on credit. You must know when to find a balance. Like I know of companies that has policy on credits, like they don't give credits. Do you understand what I'm saying? And if they give credits, they have policy on recovery because the timing for their fund is very, very important. Okay? Now, I noticed that now people are doing promos. Don't get pressurized in doing promo, because if you are doing promo by bringing down the goods of your services down, you are not making profit, okay, it means that in the long run, you will not be able to sustain your business. Even though you are liquid now, even though you are surviving now, you are not sustaining the business, okay? Don't get pressurized in doing promo if your business is not ready for such promo, okay? Now, also be careful of competition, because competition can bring your business to states of not making profits. If you want to do things the way other people are doing it, like they are reducing price, they are doing this, and it's affecting your sustainability. But whatever you are doing, ensure you strike a balance between making profits and having liquid cash, or having cash to run your operations. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up to grant this video more views. Subscribe here and watch my last video here. And until I see you next time, God bless you, God bless me, God bless all business owners around the world.